Hello guys, I'm Alexis and creator of STORM company, and I begin by grenade, airsoft grenade. After 5 years, we have developed a new system for a sniper, and it's a airsoft system, R-SHOT system. Sorry, and this system it's for change of spring or hole. This system it's just with air. It's like HP air but without bottle. So in fact, we compressed air into 2 cylinders. So when you pull, we can feel two steps, and you compress the air into the cylinder. The cylinder it's here. You compress the air into this cylinder, and when you put trigger, the electromagnet release the air, and you shoot. So in fact, you have down spring, so no vibration, no vibration. Sorry, and we have you can listen the sound. It's really no sound, and you must put a battery for electromagnet. It's here. For the handle, you can choose right or the left. You can move. You can choose the stronger. For it's this position, it's the most stronger, and you can less in the hole. After you have up unit, you can choose your setting here. When you turn, you put more or less. We have safety here, safety on fire. We have VSR10 magazine here. After we have a carbon tube in a outer barrel. It is in carbon. It's very light. All is very light because we have carbon tube and we have plastic. This plastic it's a plastic for the real arms, military arms, and we have also 2 aluminum parts into. The barrel, inner barrel, it's a silverback barrel. Yeah. It's the length it's 510 millimeters, so it's very long for the small size. And we have a bucking. The bucking it's US custom bucking. It's manufactured in Italy for custom the sniper. And I think it's hollow. Yes. You can choose the length of outer barrel. You unscrew into the sniper, and you can choose the length of outer barrel. You can choose the sensibility of trigger into the sniper. you have a screw, and you can choose the sensibility. I think it's okay for this model. So in fact you have three models. The deluxe version is in a pack with a scope, silencer, and the bag. We have a short version and the standard version. And for all we have 3 colors. And for the new summer we have the new PC1 in Rafal version and HPA version. So now we have a bottle and the line, and in fact we have deleted the pump, and we have had a PCB card for change your mode. So we have safety for sure, and we have semi-automatic, full automatic, and burst. We have doing a new magazine with 100 BBs, and we have doing a more short version and the standard version. What else? The price for the price for customers, final customers, is 569 euros. This is just a sample for the moment. I think it's 4 months. It's already. But for now, we have just all version here, and for sure grenade. But it's IJ, the exclusive distributor for the world.